Morning everybody, how you doing? It's Larry here for Leroy Systems. I want to expand on another video that I made a little while back about actually two videos. It was member extras and then it was immediate reinforcement. The member extra one video was basically just, you know, having things inside the facility, inside the gym that people may or may not need, things that they don't think of, like hair ties for women, earplugs for somebody who they forget their headphones and the gym music isn't really what they're into, or if it's an older crowd. Another one was like hand sanitizer and stuff like that. That's the member extras. The immediate reinforcement was when somebody joins up, buys training, buys, you know, extra services, a phone call, a text, an email, thank you, you know, looking forward to helping you reach your goals and making you feel good and all that stuff. Just a little like immediate positive reinforcement. I wanted to expand on that and talk about member rewards. Actually, this goes back to a third video of what are you doing for your current members. You can go back, check out the channel, and you can see all those videos. To go along again with what are you doing for your current members, a reward system is not a bad idea. And what I'm talking about is, I'll give you a quick example. There is a sushi place in New York that's a conveyor belt, right? You take the plate off, you eat it, you put the plate in. That's how they tally. They charge you per plate, not exactly what's on it. So I think that's how that works. But you take the plate out, you eat it, you put the plate in a slot, and it goes back to the kitchen. If you eat a certain amount of plates, you get a keychain. Keychain is basically just a toy version of the plates that you get on the conveyor belt. It's actually really cute. It's really cool. My son loves it. He has like 2 or 3 keychains. So if you hit a certain threshold, you get a gift. All right? It's all he talks about is look what I got, look what I got, look what I got. That's a huge positive reinforcement. Now he wants to go back because now he wants to get the next level. He wants to know what you get if you eat twice as much. The store's getting a ton of business and they're giving out $1, maybe $1 little keychain. I mean, it's cute, but it works. He's been bugging me to go back and it's just like, okay, let's see what you could do next. Another example of that is, I'm gonna go way back in high school. There was something called the 500 Club. In order to get the kids into health and fitness and exercise, now this is back in the 90s. So to get high school kids into a real fitness program, they took your body weight and they took some exercises, and a percentage of that is what you had to do for 20 repetitions. Bench press, shoulder press, jumping jacks, dips, jump rope, bicep curls, you know, so some pretty big movements. A percentage of your body weight dictated how many reps you had to do and at what weight. Like for shoulder press, it was 70% of your body weight. You had to do it for 20 times. You hit all these milestones, you got into the illustrious 500 Club, you got a t-shirt, and you got your name on the wall. It is no longer there, but that was the goal at the time. And a lot of us kids were like, you know what, I'm gonna get on that wall. I want the t-shirt. I want, you know, to be a part of this 500 Club. So the point is, I was like, you could do this in your facility, your studio, or wherever you are, or even if you're an individual trainer, you could do milestone gifts. And I'm not talking about a watch or a necklace or something like extravagant like that, but a pin. You could get a coin made, or you could buy, you know, hey, you know, you hit 100, you know, whatever. Elementary schools do the 100th day of school. They celebrate 100 days of school. They have little parties, they do little things, and, you know, and the kids think it's like, hey, it's a monument. I mean, you're doing it anyway, but they make it a celebration. That's what we should be doing in gyms. It increases motivation. It definitely gets everybody to stay on track, and it definitely increases your consistency. So your clients get more goals. The clients receive their goals. You get praise. You get positive, you know, reinforcement. The business just gets positive word of mouth. There's no downside to it. Maybe a slight expense if you're gonna buy like keychains and stuff like that, but this day and age, you could find them for like 50 cents each, 40 cents, $1 each. They're there if you look hard enough. So think about that for your facility or your business. Little member rewards, milestone rewards. Come to the gym 20 days consecutively. Drop 5 pounds, drop 10 pounds. You're halfway to your goal that you told us in the beginning when you came in for your assessment. These little things are what's going to make you stand out. Alrighty? Just some ideas. Again, if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button on this channel. I'm trying to grow this, and I'm giving you guys as much information as I possibly can with my 28 plus years of experience in the fitness industry. Alrighty? You guys have a great day, and I will see you again soon.